Hello. Hi. Welcome to Read to Talk. This is a real-style podcast in simple English. We speak slowly, we keep it natural. Today's topic is taxi/ride app.
Hi everyone, I'm Steve, and I have a ride app and a problem.
What problem?
My driver always arrives when I look my worst.
That is very real.
Yes, the app says your driver is here, and I am still inside the house in panic.
Today, we will talk about real ride situations, simple English, short sentences, and a little humor.
And tips to survive the ride.
Let's go. Okay, Steve. Imagine you need to go out. You open your ride app.
First, I check my hair.
What do you do in the app?
I put my location. I put my destination.
Good. In English, you can say, I'm going to. I need a ride to.
I need a ride to the mall.
Great. And the app shows the price.
Yes, sometimes the price is nice. Sometimes it is shocking.
Surge pricing.
Yes, the price goes up. And I say, why?
The app says, because life.
Exactly.
So what do you do?
I wait 5 minutes. I hope the price goes down.
That is a real strategy.
A hopeful strategy.
Okay, you book the ride. And then?
Then the app says, your driver is arriving.
And you say,
Okay, I have time.
do you?
No, I never have time. I look for my keys. I look for my wallet. I look for my phone while holding my phone.
Classic.
Then the app says, your driver is here.
Panic.
Panic. I run. I open the door. I try to look normal.
And the driver sees you.
Yes, the driver is calm. I am not calm.
Sometimes finding the car is hard.
Yes, there are many cars.
So you can ask, are you my driver? Is this for Steve?
Is this for Steve? That's good.
Yes. Or you can say, I'm here. I'm wearing a blue shirt.
I always say, I'm right here. But I'm not right here. I'm somewhere.
A human mystery. Okay, you find the car. You get in.
First, I say, hello.
Yes, simple. You can also say, hi, how are you?
But drivers sometimes want silence.
True, so a simple hi is perfect.
And then I sit.
Seatbelt.
Yes, seatbelt always.
Good. Sometimes you need to say something during the ride.
Like what?
Like, can you turn left here? Can you take the highway? Can we stop here, please? Please slow down.
Please slow down is important.
Yes, safety first.
I also say, could you lower the music, please?
Great, very polite.
But I feel shy.
It's okay. You can say it softly. Sorry, could you lower the music a little?
That feels nicer.
Yes.
My app has an option, quiet ride.
Oh, so you choose quiet?
Yes, because I think I want quiet.
And then?
And then I get in the car and I say, hi, nice weather today. The driver is like, quiet. And I'm like, chat.
So you break your own rule.
Yes, I am the problem.
At the end, you arrive.
And I feel relief.
You can say, thank you. Have a nice day.
Yes, always.
And then the app asks for a rating.
Yes. 5 stars if everything is okay.
And if something is bad,
Then I think, I don't want to be mean.
you can be honest and kind.
Yes.
Also, sometimes you tip.
Tip is extra money for good service.
Exactly. Okay, Steve, tell a short ride story.
Oh, I have one. Last month, I ordered a ride. I was late.
Uh-oh.
The driver arrived fast. Too fast.
Too fast?
Yes. The app said 2 minutes. And I said, great. Then, 20 seconds later, your driver is here. I ran outside. I got in the car and I said, sorry.
And the driver?
The driver was calm. He said, "No problem."
Nice.
Then my phone fell under the seat.
Oh no.
I said, "Sorry, can we stop for 1 second?" The driver stopped. I found my phone. My dignity did not return.
But you survived.
Yes, and I learned something.
What?
Be ready before you order the ride.
Great lesson. Let's do a short natural ride dialogue.
Okay.
Hi, are you my driver?
Yes, is this for Luma?
Yes, thank you.
No problem.
Could you lower the music a little, please?
Sure.
Can we stop here, please? Just 1 minute.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Quick recap. Today we talked about taxi and ride apps. I need a ride too. Are you my driver? Could you lower the music, please? Can we stop here, please? Thank you. Have a nice day.
And the big truth is,
What?
the driver is always calm and the passenger is always, "Where are my keys?"
Thank you for listening to Read to Talk.
Comment below, do you like a quiet ride or a chatty ride?
Bye. See you next time.
Bye. Have a nice day.